Hey guys, today I'm going to discuss the most fundamental and basic operators in Python, the arithmetic operators. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it. The arithmetic operators are the most fundamental and basic operators that can be used in Python. They almost follow the exact same principles as you were in elementary school or high school. The first one that we'll look at is the plus symbol, which performs an addition operation and adds two numbers together. The minus symbol, or the subtraction symbol, subtracts one number from another number. The asterisk multiplies two numbers together and performs a multiplication operation. The forward slash performs a division operation and divides the two numbers. And the last operator is the modulus operator, and this gets the remainder from a division operation. So these are the main arithmetic operators. Now let's see them in action using Python. So here we are in our Python editor. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable and just assign it in simple integer. So we're going to do myInt1 and we're going to assign it 12. Now the first operator I want to go test out is the plus operator, and we are just going to do plus and we're going to add 2 to it. If we print this to the terminal, then we should get 14. And that's exactly what we get, 14. Now we don't have to just do this with integers. We can also do it with floats. So if we do myFloat 1 and we do 12.5 or 0.4 plus 3.5, we should get 15.9. If we print myFloat1 to the terminal, boom, 15.9. So that's cool and all. Now let's try a different operator. So let's get rid of that and let's do subtraction instead. So actually I'm just going to go copy this and paste, and we're going to make a new variable, call it myInt2, and instead of adding, let's subtract. And let's print this to the terminal, and we should get the number 10 because 12 minus 2 is 10. So if we run that, nice, we get 10. And now let's create another one, and we are going to use the multiplication symbol. And this, well, just multiply. So 12 times 2 should equal 24. Run that, and we get 24. Nice. Now let's try the division operation. And this, let's change the name of the variable. And this should give us 6 because 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So if we run that, we get 6.0, and that's because it's trying to make it precise. But if we want to tell Python to keep it explicitly an integer, we can easily just type in int right here, and this will perform the operation and then convert it to an integer. So if we run this again, boom, we get 6. And the last one I want to go speak about is the mod operator, and this gives us the remainder of a division operation. So in this instance, this should give us 0 because 2 can go into 12 6 times and there will be no remainder. So if we run it, we get 0. But now let's say, for example, this was 5. The remainder should be 2 because 5 can go to 12 2 times, but there still would be a remainder of 2 afterwards. So if we run it, boom, we get 2. So that is how you use arithmetic operators in Python. They're pretty straightforward, they're nothing too complex, but they are very useful and essential to know when programming in Python. So I hope this video helped you. Please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in future videos.